This news alert, authorities wrapping up their news conference a short time ago on this morning's explosion in downtown Nashville. The blast shattering the peace and quiet of Christmas Day. FBI and ATF agents are now on the scene, police calling it an intentional act. Hello, everyone. Welcome to America's News Headquarters on this Christmas Day. Merry Christmas, of course. I'm Molly Line.
And I'm Rick Leventhal. I wish we had better news to report today, Molly. This explosion went off in an RV around 6:30 this morning local time. At least 3 people were taken to the hospital and nearly 24 buildings were damaged. Now investigators are trying to get to the bottom of it and determine who did it. Rich Edson may have some answers. He is live in Washington. Rich?
Hi, good afternoon, Rick. And it is a major national law enforcement response in downtown Nashville after an RV blew up there at 6:30 this morning. An explosion that police say was intentional. Police said earlier that officers responded this morning to a report of gunfire, and when they arrived, they saw a suspicious RV. It was still unclear how officers knew to call the bomb squad and clear the area. Well, now we know.
As officers responded, they encountered an RV that had a recording saying that a potential bomb would detonate within 15 minutes. Shortly after that, the RV exploded.
Police say 3 people went to the hospital, though none are in critical condition. Witnesses say the explosion shattered glass, knocked down trees, and shook buildings, causing smoke and fire visible from across the Nashville area. Now, police say it's unclear if anyone was in that RV when it exploded. They say they're reviewing camera footage, sealed off downtown, and brought in police dogs as a precaution to make sure that there are no other explosives, and they say they have no indication there are other devices. The Department of Justice says early this morning the acting Attorney General, Jeff Rosen, directed department resources there. The FBI and ATF are also part of this investigation, and other law enforcement officials are expected to arrive in the coming days. This is right in downtown Nashville, near bars and restaurants, in a very touristy part of that town. Back to you guys.